So now we discuss about the operations in the DQ. They are the various operations like insertion and deletion. Two are the main operations of the queue data structure. But in case of double-ended queue, we perform the insertion and deletion from both the end. So they are the four operation: insertion from element at the back and insert the element at the front दोनों साइड से, and removal from front and the back. So first of all we discuss about the insertion from the front side. So insertion front is an operation that is used to push an element into the front of the DQ, which means that the insert front, this bracket is known as the function here. तो insert front function is an operation जो हम यूज़ करते हैं किसी भी एलिमेंट को इंसर्ट करने के लिए इनटू द डी क्यू. सो इफ यू वांट टू पुश एन एलिमेंट दैट इज ज़ीरो फ्रॉम दिस queue structure, so the push operation can also be insert from the front side. So insert front में क्या है, तो zeroth element is also inserted from the front side. front पे जो values होगी वो front side पे first जो insert हो जाएगी, then after that क्या है, one value is shifted to the next position, two element is shifted to the next position, three element is inserted to the next position, and up to so on. So this is the insertion at the front end. And next is we have the algorithm for the insert front. We have with star, check the queue is full or not. We have first condition is to check the queue data structure जो queue हमें दिया गया है within the given size is 4 or the 5, कि वो full तो नहीं है. if r is equals to max minus 1, मैक्सिमम साइज अगर 7 है तो वी हैव टू चेक दैट द 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग इंडेक्स फ्रॉम 0 to 6 we have to check that the queue is full or not, and f equal to front equal to 0. if front equal to 0 और -1 से मेंशन कर सकते हैं, विच मीन्स डैट कि हमारा क्यू अभी क्या है, एम्प्टी है जब फुल है. सो यहाँ पर जीरो क्या मेंशन कर रहा है, क्यू इज़ एम्प्टी, एंड आर इक्वल्स टू मैक्सिमम -1 क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, क्यू जो है हमारा अभी फुल है, उसमें कोई भी न्यू एलिमेंट इंसर्ट नहीं कर सकते जब तक कोई डिलीशन परफॉर्म नहीं हो जाती. इफ़ फॉल्स, अगर क्यू का साइज़ जो है, क्यू हमारी डाटा स्ट्रक्चर जो है, गिवन साइज़ जो है वो फुल नहीं है, कोई ब्लैंक स्पेस है, देन वी कैन इंसर्ट एनी एलिमेंट इनटू द क्यू. If false, update the pointer f as f equals to f minus 1, which is the front part. We can decrement that by 1. So we insert the element at the pointer f as qf is equal to element. So when we have the data structure that is full, so insertion can be performed whenever there is the element that is to be deleted first. अगर फुल क्यू दिया गया है, वो पूरी की पूरी क्यू जो स्ट्रक्चर है 5 एलिमेंट्स है, तो 5 एलिमेंट ऑलरेडी फिल है, तो टू इंसर्ट द न्यू एलिमेंट इनटू दैट क्यू, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा कि एक किसी एलिमेंट को डिलीट करना पड़ेगा. सो द फ्रंट जो होगा -1 हो जाएगा. सो इंसर्ट द क्यू और द इंसर्ट द एलिमेंट एट द पॉइंटर एफ एज क्यू एफ इज इक्वल टू एलिमेंट. जिस जगह से वो एलिमेंट डिलीट किया गया है वहाँ पर क्या कर देंगे, हम न्यू एलिमेंट को इंसर्ट कर देंगे, एंड देन वी हैव टू स्टॉप. सो नेक्स्ट ऑपरेशन इज द इंसर्ट फ्रॉम द बैक. Insert back function is an operation that is used to push an element at the back of the DQ. So we can also insert any element from the back, that is the tail part, in case of double-ended queue. So if we have the example like we have the number of elements like 1 2 3 4 5 and 7, so the queue size is 6. So we have to first condition, we have to check that the queue is full or not. If not, then we simply insert the element from the end of the queue. If not, then we first delete the element and then we insert the queue. So on the front side the elements are remains the same, 1 2 3 4 and 5. So we have to push an element 9 at the back of the tail. So the 9 element is to be inserted after the 7 elements. So on the rear part we can insert the 9 element. Here the 9 is to be inserted. So this is the operation of the insert back. Now the algorithm is, we have to start, firstly we check the queue is full or not. If the queue is full, if we have the sizes or size of the data structure, queue data structure is 6 and all the elements are placed on the 6th position, so we clear that the queue is full or we cannot insert any value into the queue. To insert any new value into this queue, we have to delete any of the value first. So the dequeue operation is to be performed first and then only we can insert. So the second condition is if front equals to 0, which means that this represent that queue is empty. So if the false, update the pointer r as r is equal to r plus 1. So we have to insert the element at the pointer qr equals to element and we have to stop at that point.